Hey, welcome back to LiterADV. We are starting the Adventure Palooza trip here. Basically, it's an annual trip that's hosted by some local folks in the area, and everybody gets an option of a track that they take, and it's either a 2 or 3 day off-road track to one final meeting point in Mexico, Missouri. We're doing the Northwest route. We just started. This is the beginning of the Kickapoo Trail. A lot of folks know about this place because it's one of the few off-roading areas that we get. But yeah, we're all loaded up. Michael's on his Africa Twin. I got my V-Strom. We're not super heavy today because we're doing very light camping. We don't have a bunch of food packed with us like last time. So we're trying to take it easy, not to be overloaded. It also rained last night, so we're not sure what the trail's like, but we're gonna be a little bit cautious about that.
Today we're gonna do about 200 miles. We'll camp. Tomorrow about the same. And then on Saturday morning, we'll get up and we'll ride into Mexico, Missouri, where all the tracks lead to. I mean, it may have just rained just enough to make this super nice. Maybe a little too heavy. I mean, maybe a little less would have been better, but not bad.
The Kickapoo route basically leads you into Atchison, Kansas. Perfect place to stop and take a break. What you eating there?
Eating my wife's world-renowned chicken salad sandwich. She makes the best chicken salad sandwich.
Isn't that what all husbands are trying to say, though?
Made with love, though.
Oh.
Pure love.
Well,
she was super tired yesterday, and she still made this for me.
wow, that's awesome.
I love you, honey.
Thanks.
Not you.
If you are in the comments section and you don't like the bagels, let us know so we can point you out. So is this like special beef jerky?
Costco.
Damn, it's cold.
One liter ADV. Double punch. Yep, showing the pull-away power of the V-Strommer. This is where people fell, because I bet they were ripping through here and didn't realize it. Someone ruined a Ford. Thank you.
Quick little update, my friend.
We are on AP 22 Northwest Maine Part 2 out of St. Joe. So we are in St. Joe, Missouri, which is north of Kansas City and a little bit, I guess west.
The goal now was to make our way from St. Joseph to Warrensburg, Missouri. We figured by the time we get there, it would be late enough that we'd need to set up camp. But before we got there, we needed to get through some really interesting and scenic areas. The muddy roads made it all the more interesting on these bigger bikes too.
I would stop at the top of that hill because I think that's where the
Well, that was a little squirrely. It's like poop, man. It just doesn't come off.
go rip through this. Oh crap, there it is. There it is. We gotta get a picture, right?
Okay, so here's what actually happened. While trying to record my goal, I went to put my left foot down and forgot that there was a ditch beside me. Yeah. No, I think I'm good.
Come on, your back's already... I mean, no.
Oh no! There is damage. My shifter got bent. After straightening out the shift linkage, we headed right into our next obstacle, deep sand. I might need a push. I'm buried. Buried the old V-strum. I must have slowed down too much. Smells like rain. Well, we made it to safety. Right there. So many options.
Yeah.
What is he gonna do? You gonna scratch your head and think about that? Started to rain this morning, so we put on our rain gear, try to stay dry. Gonna get some breakfast, real American breakfast. This means minimum of 1,500 calories, and we'll get on our way on day number 2. Started off on the wrong foot. Great place, but don't ask for half and half, because they're gonna point at the creamer and then give you a look like, where'd you come from? That is half and half. Anyway, they compromised with me and gave me milk. Now I feel like a snob asking for milk instead of coffee mate creamer. Yeah, the only thing I noticed is that instead of half and half, this is more like quarter, 3/4 in here.
That's milk. Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, I get it now.
I think this was on that video we watched.
So day 2 is probably my favorite part. As we worked our way down towards Warsaw, the roads began to change and we encountered more water crossings and rocky terrain. Most of the challenging parts you see here are actually optional for this route, with detours available. But we would highly recommend that you at least get as far as you can. We're in Stover, Missouri, and we found this like little Mexican restaurant with really good reviews.
Yeah, I'm not lying to you, because I wouldn't say this if I didn't believe it. This is literally the best burrito I have ever tasted. How do you cook that carnitas?
Well, it's carnitas. We grill it with Pepsi, orange soda. It's not like sweet, like they make it here, like, you know, barbecue.
Yeah.
We make it, like in Mexico, we make it like more salty.
It's salty but it's
and
sweet. Yeah.
Salty and sweet.
It is literally the best burrito I've ever had.
Thank you. Thank
Man,
you.
it's
That's
awesome.
cool. That's really cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, you guys aren't going to believe this, but Michael and I, can you stop for a second? Michael and I didn't really have a place to stay tonight because
And there's 0 camping spots in Versailles.
there's no camping spots.
But they hate campers, apparently.
We were literally gonna go on the route and look for just
Like primitive.
just anywhere in
Yeah.
the woods away from people. And then we stopped by this place and there's these folks sitting outside their house. And they're like, anyway, long story short, Michael mentions that we're looking for a spot. They're like, heck, we don't care if you just stay here.
Just
Well-
camp in our backyard.
Yeah.
And the other thing is that we're going to make it look like nobody was here, obviously.
Yeah, obviously
We're
quiet.
going to be very
clean.
respectful. We're not,
very
there's no
respectful.
fire, no noise. Tomorrow morning, we'll probably push our bikes out of here if we want to leave early.
Just to be quiet.
We're going to keep it quiet. And the bottom line is most people are pretty nice. You just have to be nice back. And I don't know. It's kind of fun. It's adventurous.
Yeah, I mean, if you see an update to this video of us being kicked out, then we'll let you know.
Don't come here. If you figure out where we're at, and I don't know if you can by that video,
We'll
don't
make sure you don't know where we are.
Yeah, don't come here. We are running down these roads and we've noticed like these little skinny tracks and we're like, are these bicycle tracks or what are these things? And we figured out that they are the buggies from either the Mennonite or the Amish, we're not really sure. And they run down these roads with their horses and they create these little tracks and we figured it out. So we thought we'd share that with you.
That one was a little, they're saying go around. Can you go around? So this is going to be our campsite for tonight. This is at Adventure Palooza, one of the tent camping areas. We kind of picked a corner on purpose. That way we can be maybe a little quieter here and shady. Setting up our tents. It's actually kind of wet from this morning from our secret camp spot. But yeah, you hear a lot of bikes out here playing, and we just checked in, and we'll see what's next. We're in a barn right now, and that's the shower. they've canvassed. I mean, I appreciate it and everything. The water's cold though.
Yeah, ask me if it's warm, and I'll give you the answer in a minute.
Michael, is the water warm? I take that as a no. So I'm just over here putting my stuff on. But yeah, Adventure Palooza. At the moment, this is the shower situation. I guess it's a good thing we got here first, otherwise we would have been in there with 20 guys.
Yeah, maybe the second chairs in here so that guy pushes you into the water.
I thought the chairs were in there so people could just sit there and watch you. It was our final day, and before heading back home, we decided to try out the off-road course at the Adventure Palooza ranch.
Oh, looks like that's the best track, huh? You're not going to stay on that line. Yeah.
No matter whether you're in a large group or a solo rider, Adventure Palooza is something totally worth trying. It's a great place to meet other adventure riders, test your skills, and at the very least, enjoy some time on two wheels surrounded by the beautiful Midwest.
Oh, my garment fell off. Dude, how did I feel that? Yeah.
Hey, if you made it this far in the video, feel free to leave a comment below. And while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more adventure motorcycling videos.